So Kelly, what's the temperature right now?
It's got to be at least minus 24.
Yeah. We're putting down the base for SPARTACOTE SB, correct?
Yep.
Yes.
This will be a metallic.
This would be the metallic.
And we'll leave it out overnight. It's dry though, isn't it?
It is dry.
All right, next time you see this, we'll put a metallic coat on top. It's really cold.
14.
So it's lightly snowing on this since we put down this polyaspartic. And right now the heat's actually melting the snow on top of it. But as you can tell, it's pretty dry. Going outside in the cold, it's a deal.
Winnipeg, Manitoba, minus 25. Woo!